Hi, Diane. How are you?
Spectacular.
What you doing here today?
Celebrating life.
Okay, that sounds good. You're going for a skydive. How high are we going? 18,000 feet today. And how are you feeling about this?
Normal.
You're normal?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go have fun, okay?
All right.
Sweet. Anything you want to say to Diane?
How you doing? Thank you very much for this birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. Very nice. Thanks for coming out.
I say yes to success. I got a millionaire mind. I say yes to success. I've got a blueprint for the future, a brand new design. I'm playing at the money game, winning all the time. There's a world of opportunity, filled with possibility and dreams that I'm going to find. I got a millionaire mind. I say yes, oh, I say yes to success. I got a millionaire mind. I say yes to success. All that I see, all that I can be, infinite prosperity is all inside of me. I got a millionaire, I got a millionaire, I got a millionaire mind. I got a millionaire mind. I say yes to success.
Starting today, I'm letting go of all my doubts and fears. The attitudes and old beliefs I've been holding all these years. All that doesn't serve me in fulfilling my destiny. 'Cause a new beginning is coming for me, coming for me. New beginnings are on the way. New beginnings, my life begins today. I'm looking up, I'm reaching high. I'm gonna spread my wings. I'm moving through and breaking free, creating my own dreams. Anything that I can see, I can be. 'Cause a new beginning is coming for me, coming for me. New beginnings are on the way. New beginnings, my life begins today. My heart is open, my mind is clear. I could go anywhere Where there's another corner, I'm gonna turn it. Where there's another lesson, I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna lose my losing ways, cut loose from all my yesterdays. 'Cause no one wants the future more. Tomorrow never looks so clear before. I'm breaking
Giggly.
Flush, look.
So how was that, Diane? Would you like help up? Come on. Okay. So how was it?
Spectacular.
Yeah, it was good fun. What'd you think when you're looking down, ready to go?
Well, it seemed kind of nice. Oh, looking down.
Yeah, it was okay. It was already good. Okay.
Yeah, it was after the wind hit. It was like, what have I done?
So would you do it again? Maybe. All right.
I'll
sounds
have to.
good.
I cheated my son out of the opportunity.
Oh, okay. Got to bring him back. Cool. Congratulations on your first
you.
jump. Way to go. Good job.
I'm gonna find it. Yeah, if someone throws me a curve, I won't be behind it. I'm gonna grab that golden ring. I'm gonna grab me a breath.